The electric vehicle world just shifted again, and this time the shockwave is coming straight from China. The 2026 BYD Qin L EV has officially entered the spotlight, and many are already calling it one of the most dangerous competitors Tesla has ever faced. Not because of hype, not because of marketing, but because of what this car actually delivers for the price. For years, Tesla dominated the EV conversation. Long range, fast charging, smart software, futuristic design, these were once exclusive advantages. But that era is rapidly ending. BYD has been closing the gap model by model, and now with the Qin L EV, the line between affordable and premium is almost gone. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Qin L EV doesn't look cheap. It doesn't look basic. It looks sharp, aggressive, and futuristic. The front is clean and aerodynamic, the LED lighting is sleek, and the overall shape feels like something that belongs in the future, not the budget category. This is exactly where Tesla once dominated: clean, modern, minimalist, and now BYD is doing it too. But design alone doesn't scare Tesla. Performance does. The Qin L EV comes equipped with a highly efficient electric powertrain that delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive real-world driving range. BYD is known for squeezing maximum efficiency out of every kilowatt, and this car is no exception. Early figures suggest that the Qin L EV can easily cross the 500-kilometer range mark on a single charge, putting it dangerously close to Tesla's most popular models. And the charging speed? This is where things get really interesting. The Qin L EV supports fast charging that can take the battery from low to usable levels in under 30 minutes. For daily users, that means less waiting, less range anxiety, and more freedom, all things Tesla once used as its biggest selling points. Inside the cabin is where the real surprise hits. The interior of the 2026 BYD Qin L EV feels nothing like what people expect from an affordable electric car. A massive digital display dominates the dashboard, paired with a fully digital driver cluster. Everything is touch-based, smooth, and responsive. Voice commands, smart navigation, wireless connectivity, and over-the-air updates are all built in. The seats are wrapped in premium materials, the ambient lighting gives the cabin a luxury feel, and the space is generous for both front and rear passengers. This is not a stripped-down economy EV. This is a car built to compete directly with vehicles that cost far more. And then there's the brain of the car, the software. BYD's intelligent driving system continues to evolve rapidly. The Qin L EV features advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision warnings, and automated emergency braking. Some versions are expected to offer semi-autonomous driving capabilities that rival Tesla's basic autopilot features. This is a massive statement, because Tesla's software dominance was once untouchable. Now, BYD is rapidly catching up, and for many drivers, the difference is becoming harder to notice. Now, let's talk about the one thing that truly makes Tesla uncomfortable: the price. This is the part where everything changes. The 2026 BYD Qin L EV is expected to launch at a price that undercuts most Tesla models by a huge margin. In some markets, it could cost nearly half the price of a new Tesla while delivering 80 to 90% of the same technology, comfort, and performance. That changes the entire EV battlefield. Because now, buyers aren't choosing between gasoline and electric anymore. They're choosing between expensive electric and affordable electric. And BYD is winning that battle fast. Tesla built its empire on innovation, but BYD is now building its empire on scale. BYD already sells more electric vehicles globally than almost any other manufacturer. Their battery technology is among the most advanced in the world. Their supply chain is completely vertical. They control the batteries, the motors, the chips, and even much of the software. This means one thing: they can produce EVs faster, cheaper, and in greater volume than nearly anyone else. The Qin L EV is not just a car. It's a warning. A warning that the era of overpriced electric vehicles is coming to an end. A warning that competition is no longer catching up, it has arrived. A warning that Tesla is no longer the only name people think of when they hear electric car. In markets like Asia, the Middle East, South America, and even parts of Europe, vehicles like the Qin L EV are changing buying habits at record speed. More people are switching to EVs not because they want luxury, but because electric cars are finally becoming more affordable than gas cars. And that is the most dangerous trend of all. Because once electric becomes cheaper than fuel, there is no going back. The 2026 BYD Qin L EV proves one thing loud and clear. The electric revolution is no longer about the future. It's about the present. And the companies that adapt fast will survive. The ones that don't will struggle. Tesla still leads in many areas. Strong brand. Strong charging network. Strong global presence. But for the first time in years, it is being challenged on every front at the same time: design, price, technology, range, and value. And BYD is not slowing down. The Qin L EV today is just one model. But behind it stands an entire army of electric vehicles, batteries, trucks, buses, and next-generation platforms ready to flood the world. This is not just competition. This is a takeover in progress. And the 2026 BYD Qin L EV might just be the car that proves once and for all that Tesla is no longer the only king of electric vehicles. The real question is no longer if Tesla will face serious competition. The real question is, how long can it stay ahead?